Greetings, little nature enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a serene journey into the heart of the lush, sleepy rainforest, where the magic of the jungle comes alive as the sun dips below the towering trees. Picture a world where the leaves gently rustle in the evening breeze and the sounds of nature create a soothing symphony. As daylight fades in the rainforest, our forest friends are ready to nestle into their cozy abodes. Join us as we venture into this enchanting realm where 6 delightful rainforest creatures prepare to say sleepy night. First on our journey is Oscar, the observant owl, perched high in the canopy with wise eyes that have watched over the rainforest throughout the day. Now, in the embrace of a leafy nest, Oscar bids the rustling leaves and chittering critters a calming, sleepy night. Envision the rainforest settling into a tranquil hush as Oscar welcomes the night. Sleepy night, little owl. Sleepy night. Next, we encounter Leo, the luminescent leopard, whose sleek coat glistens in the fading sunlight. Leo finds a comfortable spot among the shadows, offering a majestic sleepy night to the rainforest. Imagine the spotted coat blending with the jungle, bringing a touch of nighttime elegance. Sleepy night, little Leo. Sleepy night. Meet Remy, the rhythmic monkey, swinging from vine to vine with playful antics that have echoed through the rainforest all day. Now, nestled in a cozy treetop cradle, Remy bids the lively jungle rhythm a rhythmic sleepy night. Picture the rainforest echoing with fading sounds of Remy's daytime adventures. Sleepy night, little monkey. Sleepy night. As we journey deeper, we encounter Layla, the lullaby frog, whose melodic croaks have serenaded the rainforest with nature's lullabies. Perched on a mossy rock, Layla sends a soothing sleepy night to the rainforest creatures. Envision the calming melody lingering in the air as Layla brings the rainforest into a restful slumber. Sleepy night, little frog. Sleepy night. But look, there's Bella, the blissful butterfly, a kaleidoscope of colors fluttering through the foliage with grace. Bella finds a leaf to rest upon, bidding the vibrant flowers and buzzing bees a peaceful, sleepy night. Picture the rainforest adorned with the serene beauty of Bella's dreams. Sleepy night, little butterfly. Sleepy night. Last but not least, we have Sammy, the sleepy sloth, the gentle guardian of the rainforest, who has observed the world from the tranquility of the treetops. Sammy finds a comfortable branch to say sleepy night, his slow and steady breaths creating a calming rhythm. Imagine the rainforest now embraced by the peaceful presence of Sammy's watchful dreams. Sleepy night, little sloth. Sleepy night. As the sun bids farewell, our little rainforest friends begin to fall asleep, one by one. And you little one, you had a great job helping our little rainforest friends fall asleep. So, dear little explorers of the rainforest, as we delve into the bedtime wonders of sleepy rainforest, it's time for you to close your eyes. Feel the gentle rustle of the leaves, and let the dreams of jungle adventures carry you into a world of sweet slumber. Sleepy night, little rainforest adventurer. May your dreams be as vibrant and magical as the sleepy rainforest itself.